You come to your browser and type gpay.africa. Once the surface will be open like this, once the surface open, what you need to do is you click on create an account. You click there. Once you click there, please, how will you like to use Geegpay? Don't go and choose I want to create a company account. Click I am an influencer. Have you seen? You are self-employed and operate under your own name. Nigeria. You are from Nigeria. Then you put it. You continue. After that, you come here and put your email. After that, let me put my sister mail. Please, the reason why I'm using my sister details is so that I can use it to do this tutorial, this video tutorial, please. Yes. Oh, there's no time. I could have gone and used my referral link, but let's move on. I don't want to pause this video or to interrupt the video. Let's go. Continue. Click on continue. The message will be sent to your mail. Let's go to the mail. We do not send the message here. Okay, let's go to our spam. The message will be sent to our spam. Yes. You copy the number. Please just follow up what I'm doing. Once you bring the number here, you put the number 7. Let's copy it again. Let's copy the number again. I'll make a mistake. So I can see what I'm doing. 18306. Okay, let's choose our password, please. Need to choose password. Need to choose password. Okay, I need to screenshot this password so that I will know it. Yeah, continue. Have you seen? Your account has been created successfully. Your account has been, but you haven't finished. So I will show you how you can get your US account number with routing number with everything that will enable you to receive payment from. Let's go. That the first name. The first name is Blessing. The surname, the last name is Edet. Like I told you before, she's my sister. I'm using her details now so that she can also get. And I'll show her everything that she needs to know so that she can get share of this big money so that she can make her own share. Please, you keep going back. I could have paused this video, but I don't want to pause the video. Keep going till we reach 2003 because she was born in 2003 on the 2nd of August. Have you seen? August. August. That is on 2nd of August. 2nd. Have you seen? Nationality Nigeria. You come here and choose Nigeria. Come here. Nigerian. Please, let's put our phone number. Okay. Oh, let's check the time. You put here is the time, the street. What is happening? The country again? Nigeria. The state. I'm from Akwa Ibom State, so my sister, she's from there. City Uyo. Have you seen the postal code? Please, you go to your website and check your own postal code. Postal code from your own state. So my own is 520101. That is postal code from Akwa Ibom State. You need to put the bank statement. Let me check if I can get a bank statement of account. What you do, you put the statement of account and click here to upload the file. I've already screenshot the statement of the account. Click here, click on select. Yes, as you see, everything is intact. As you see, then what you do, I've uploaded the statement of account. Click on save. Let's wait for it to process. After that, bank details. I'm going to put bank details. The bank will be Access Bank. I'll insert the account number 177 25 666 39. The account name, have you seen? 22 74 12 32 28. Okay, let's wait for it to verify. It's in processing. Have you seen? What you need an ID card to verify. Let me see. Start the verification. Oh yes, you are. Have you seen? Have you seen the account is verified? Yes. Bank details. What you do now is request for bank details. You come here, request for a bank details. You see what they said? This was just like a regular bank account. You will be given an USD bank account which will be used to receive USD. You click on create. Once you click on create, have you seen? Here is the bank details. This is just the simple method on how you can create a US account. Have you seen my routing number? Have you seen everything? Yes, this is how it works.